Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss DeFelice here with the last part of our economics lessons, focused on saving and spending money. Please keep in mind our focus question, which is, what is the best class pet for us and how can we take care of it? First, here's a little bit about myself. My name is Miss DeFelice. This is my third year at Mount St. Mary College. I have one dog named Emmett. I love to practice yoga in my free time, and my favorite school subject is social studies. Now let's look at what we are going to learn today. First, we will review a few of the vocabulary terms that we learned from Mrs. Santucci, Miss Cacciapoli, and Miss Kralik. Next, we will learn about what it means to save and spend money to help us make sure we have enough money for our class pet and decide what we think are the best items for our class pet. But first, let's review some vocabulary words. The first word is economics. Economics is the way a country manages its money and resources, such as workers and land, to produce, buy, and sell goods and services. The next word is want. A want is a desire for goods, services, feelings, and other things we would like to have but do not need. The next word is need. A need is a good or service that we need to live. And the last word is responsibility. Responsibility is knowing what is right and wrong and knowing the punishments when you do not follow the rules. Now let's look at the new words we are going to learn today. These words are save, spend, earn, job, and choice. Let's learn about them together. The first word is save. Saving is putting aside money so we can buy the things we need and want. Some examples of saving money are taking half of your $10 to put aside for the dog treats you want to buy, or putting all of the $10 away so you can use it to get a new fish. The best way to save money is to put it away in a piggy bank. The second word is spend. Spending is when we use our money to receive a good or a service. Some examples of spending money are using the money you saved up to buy a new toy for your pet, or buying food for your pet at the store. When we spend, we need to keep in mind our wants and needs. If we buy a new toy for a pet, that can be considered a want, but buying food for the pet is considered a need. The third word is earn. Earn means to deserve as a result of labor or service. Some examples of earning are getting money after doing chores around the house or getting a paycheck for a weekly job. Doing chores around the house is a great way to earn rewards like money or even small toys. The fourth word is job. A job is work done regularly for pay. Some examples of jobs are teacher, pet groomer, and veterinarian. A pet groomer is a service that gives your pet a bath and a haircut, and a vet is a doctor for your pets. The fifth and last word is choice. Choice is the act of picking between two or more possibilities. Some examples of choice are picking between cake or ice cream, or picking either a hamster or bunny as a pet. When making the choices of our class pet, we must think responsibly. This completes our lesson. Please look and complete the following activities.